Okay, we're at the car wash with Brian and Christopher, the one on Pines and 16th. The water's coming. It's doing the little side thing. Oh, we can't get on the track. Alright, we're waiting for it to start here. We got these little things coming. Oh, there's the water. And the soap. Coming back for round 2. Here's Christopher in the car wash. Pretty mesmerized. Say hey, guys. Alright.
It's water.
It's going around the back now. It's getting Chris. Oh, there we go. That's up top.
Those bubbles?
Getting all sudsy. It's pretty hot. We're in the Buick, by the way. It's not too good.
Shut up.
We need to go outside and make sure they do a good job. Oh, and then you can see we got the rainbow colors going on. There's a little bit of purple.
You okay, kiddo?
Oh, we're trying to get Chris, but it's a little bit, the lighting's not too good in the start car. Say hi. Say hi. Quick moment of silence here. Alright, and here we go with the big spray. Big spray.
The water, kiddo?
Beautiful.
It's cold.
Woo! Wow, it's like you're right there in it. And here we got the dryer coming down.
It's not the dryer yet.
Oh, it's not the dryer, but this is the Karcher. I'm not sure what year. Looks like an 06.
06.
And this was a $9 wash, by the way, you guys. And as you can tell, this is a pretty lengthy wash. So really worth the money. Hopefully it'll go for 9 minutes, $1 a minute. It's not a bad deal.
It's almost over.
The beautiful thing here, you guys, is that we're still in the same spot. So it's not messed up our tires or our alignment or anything like that. Because it leaves you in the same spot until you're done. Highly recommend this car wash over the Holiday car wash. You gotta get out and dry it when you're done. Oh, and here comes the Karcher again with the finishing touches.
Dryer.
Thanks, player.
Here we go. We can just see the little water spots just going right away there. Beautiful. Going under it right now, or it's going over us, I should say. We're currently 6 minutes into this, so it looks like we might just get $1 a minute here. And the Karcher's coming back for us one last time overhead here. You can see her. Beautiful. And she raises. Karcher 06, everybody. Great machine. And we're starting to drive away here. Out of the garage area. We're going to go outside for the finishing touches. Buff it up a little bit. You can now see better that we are in the Buick, in fact. There you go.
Get that out of here, dude.
Driver Brian.
Open the trunk.
It lasted about 7.5 minutes. I don't know what the button is. I don't know what the button is. There's Brian, sexy ass. And now it's time to inspect. Looks good, looks good. I'll get in there in a minute. And that's it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed.